Message 50, given on June 21st, 1974, the Feast of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Before leaving this place, where I have wanted you to be for a time of rest and of prayer, and to give you graces which you will understand later, I want to manifest to you once more all the benevolence and the predilection of my motherly heart. Here you have been very closely united with the one whom I love and hold especially dear, and whom I myself give to you as an elder brother for the sake of my movement. How he loves you, this beloved son of mine! He is one of the greatest gifts that I give you, and you will understand this later on. He will be called upon to wear himself out on a cross of true martyrdom, a martyrdom of love and of pain, which will make him into a living copy of my crucified Son. Let him not be troubled over the difficulties that surround him. They are allowed by God for his sanctification. Let him always pronounce his generous and total yes. This is so necessary and pleasing to me. And thus I will have him live always in my motherly heart, and there he will taste such very great sweetness. O my sons, if the mother has thus kept you together for so long, it is because she has great designs upon you. I place you in the burning furnace of the heart of my Son. I press you both to my own motherly heart, and I bless you.